2015 has been an incredible year on the Ichthys Project onshore LNG facilities, as the fruits of our labours really start to take shape. A world-leading gas plant is quite literally rising up out of the dry dirt around us, with enormous technological marvels rolling in to take their place amongst other amazing feats of engineering and construction. This truly is an incredible project.
As 2015 draws to a close, it's time for all of us working here on Ichthys Project onshore LNG facilities to take a good look at our achievements. What we have created here is something that we and our families should be truly proud of.
Very proud of the safety, particularly the safety concerns which we are taking place on this project.
I'm most proud of turning a general construction site into a big team family environment.
Proud to be here for starters. It'll be quite an achievement once it's finished.
Probably the concrete that we poured, which has been close to 300,000 cubic metres. We've delivered in a safe way and with no major incidents.
This year, I am particularly proud of the energy that everyone has put into the IAF culture and the IAF Safe Mates program, along with the open and honest communication we have here on site.
What I'm really proud of is the relationships I've built. If I've got the ability to talk to people and have a chat with them about safety issues, it always keeps it at the forefront.
We're also proud of our engagement with the local community and businesses of the Northern Territory.
Yeah, Rusker Brothers are here. We're a local construction company. We're here to do most of the paving and car parks around all the buildings.
So far, the project has spent over $100 million with 53 individual Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander businesses.
I'm born and bred in Darwin, mate. Been here 35 years and as other fellas on my crew, they're all locals as well.
It's a great stepping stone for Indigenous locals to, I guess, gain experience. It's not often that, something of this scale and magnitude comes to your hometown.
Everyone on the project is actively encouraged to use Australian industry, especially Northern Territory businesses, where we've spent over $6 billion so far. But it's not just money that the project brings to the area.
And after this project, all of us as a local coming from small company will be able to bring this world-class standard safety to other projects, to other jobs that we will be working on.
Do a lot of training, Indigenous training. What better place to do it, on an impact site.
This project is about more than concrete and steel. It's about the thousands of people who are creating it. The safety of our team remains our highest value and something we all need to keep in the top of our minds, which means remaining vigilant at all times.
We've been on site for 2 years and we keep safety top of mind by simply engaging the guys, having a bit of fun with them because it is routine and mundane occasionally.
For us, we were quite lucky because our IIF team are very strong. So we're protecting ways, we're looking out after each other.
I keep safety in the top of my mind, basically so I can go home every night to my 3-year-old.
Staying safe comes in many forms, especially here in Darwin.
In terms of heat and hydration, just ensuring that you drink enough water every day. Don't ideally judge a book by its cover.
The guys have camel packs so they can sip water every day. We provide them with little Zupa Duper ice blocks, and we've also got a water boy initiative where one of the guys wears a big backpack and walks around and stops the crew, gives them a glass of icy cold water.
I drink plenty of water, 3 to 5 litres a day, electrolytes.
And we take the icy poles around and give them out, and people really like that, and it's really soothing, and taking as many breaks as possible and having a water bottle on you all the time and taking regular drinks.
And looking after each other. If you see someone that's struggling a little bit, it's generally because of dehydration.
If someone's doing it tough, we try and give them a hand and help them out.
We already have an impressive safety record on this project, and as we head towards the Christmas break, all of our families will be feeling the benefits of having us home safely. So please, enjoy your holidays. You deserve it. Next year is going to be another challenging and exciting one. But remember, none of our achievements mean anything unless each and every one of us remains safe. Have a great break, everyone. Stay safe, and we'll see you next year.